What's up, YouTube? Wanted to go over this game I played on Lee Chess in a Swiss tournament this afternoon. E4, C5, C3, D6. See a lot of people who don't really understand the C3 Sicilian play D6. They just don't want to learn mainline theory. Um, and then you get what you want. You get D4 right away. Sometimes people play knight F6 here, and then you could play F3. I play bishop D3. Anyway, um, this guy just took. So yeah, white has a good center now. It's not a great position when the engine actually recommends D5 now. He played A6 like it's a knight orc or something. I'm just going to develop. Yeah, I played against this setup before. And yeah, black has great central control. All these squares, both knights out, bishop out, this pawn's backwards. None of the king side's developed for black yet. Well, white's ready to castle right now. So it's a great position, that castle. Yeah, and bishop e7, I was very confused. The engine actually likes d5 here. I'm not sure why it thinks this is so great. I mean, I can see why it thinks it's so great. White has a lot of space. But I'm not so crazy about this because black can just castle. I guess you're cracking open the queen side. Anyway, I found e5 to be more direct, stopping the knight from coming out, cramping black from castling. Even if black ever does castle, I'm going to play like queen here to up there, checkmate him. So he takes, and yeah, this typical c3 Sicilian e5 pawn is just like a great bother to black. So yeah, so far so good. Queen e2, protecting, overprotecting this pawn. Also, threatening mating ideas if black does castle. Yeah, this move I didn't think was very good at all, though it makes some sense because black wants to play here in castle. But already here 94, and this had been played once on Lee Chess before. And yeah, the idea is, I guess, if he comes here, we're kicking the bishop out of the way, and yeah, big problems for black. So yeah, I should have played 94 right away. Alright, someone told me there wouldn't be that beeping sounds if there's only one Lee Chess tab open, but that person... Oh no, I have two tabs open. So anyway, I gotta test that theory. This sound is like so annoying. I'm like sensitive to sound and stuff. Okay, so I should have played 94. Instead I hit the queen away, and now I played oh no, now I played rook d1. It gives him a chance to take here. Yeah, this knight is going to be powerful if it jumps into here. Oops. And then into here, or there's another idea, which I didn't play in the game, but which right here, right now. So I do have the eval up here. Actually, you know what? Maybe I'll put my face over the eval. Yeah, maybe I'll drag the webcam over the eval. But yeah. And I thought about this move in the game too, but it was blitz and I just couldn't calculate. But next time I'm going to be on the lookout for this idea. So what did I play? What did I play? I played knight here, and this just loses all my advantage. He didn't play the best move, which is this. And then I can either take or defend this knight. And yeah, who knows what's going on now. But anyway, this is... Well, actually, this is losing. I have to take this. Anyway, this is a mess, and who knows what the hell's happening. But the move I missed was knight f6. And if he takes, bishop takes, and yeah, this king side is erect. I saw this, but then I saw knight here, and I was worried that black can defend, but black cannot defend. Yeah, it's bad if the engine says the best move is to sack the queen here. The point is that my queen's coming in here, and I'm going to mate him, unless he does something drastic. Like, say here, oh, well, that's just mate in one. Beautiful coordination from all these guys. So, yeah, if the other knight takes, Yeah, we're just coming in here. And how is he protecting this? He's really not. Oh, yeah, not to mention this square. And yeah, he just has to sack all his pieces. Um, so yeah, so I missed this beautiful move. Knight to f6. Instead of play here, he didn't play the best move. Uh, and I still had chances, but I started retreating. And yeah, yeah, I mean, what the hell is this kind of coordination? So I lost my advantage, and I went on to lose this game, which is a shame because I had such beautiful, it's basically like this type of game should just be like a free win. And yeah, I think this guy went on to win the tournament. So not a bad player, but he doesn't know this opening. So if I don't know the opening, then there's kind of no point. But yeah, I'm just gonna have to cement this move in my brain, knight to f6. Let's just look at it again. Here we go, knight f6. And if the king moves, yeah, this is obviously bad. Get this knight out of the way, bring the queen in here. This guy's like staring at nothing. The rook's hit. The rook moves. We just jump back in, and yeah, it's bad news. So anyway, just wanted to make a quick video, for your entertainment and edification, and for myself also. Hopefully, I can make future videos in similar positions where I do see this idea, and where if black plays 2d6, then we just smash him. So anyway, thanks for watching. Questions, comments, love, praise, offers of marriage, etc. In the comments, and I'll talk to you guys and gals. Ah, that ended on an awkward note. Bye.